Domestic helper stabbed to death at work in Seaforth, St. Thomas. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Investigators in St. Thomas are probing the murder of a woman who was found with stab wounds at a house in Seaforth in the parish on Wednesday. The deceased has been identified as Carolyn Walker, a domestic helper who is said to have been in her 50s. Reports are that sometime after 8 a.m. on Wednesday, Walker was attacked at a house where she worked. She was stabbed by an unknown assailant or assailants. She was later found lying in a pool of blood by another worker who was employed at the same premises. An alarm was raised and the police were alerted to the scene, which was subsequently processed by investigators. No motive has since been established by the police for her killing. Police sources are reporting that investigators are questioning other individuals who work at the same premises. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.